Today, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I picked up this DIY toe alignment from TMR Customs. We're going to check out on the Jeep JK. Here's a little while ago, I just picked up brand new tires. I haven't really driven it too much. I had to do some work underneath, fix some things. But while I have the tires off, I want to put those alignments bars on and I want to check it. I want to see if I'm sitting toe in, toe out, how much, and do some calculations to see if I'm going to need to change it out or not. These are very simple. Just go on the lugs coming out, bolt them down, grab your tape measure. If you have two, that's fine. I can only find one, so that's how we're going to do it. Now I got a big brake kit on this, so I'm not going to be able to put the plates completely flat unless I want to take the caliper off. I don't feel like doing that, but I'll still be able to get a measurement off that. Front and back. And of course, in order to do this, you want to make sure that your tires were as straight as possible to start off with. If you don't clamp it down, it's going to fall off and make you mad. About 69 3/4 for the rear. It's not just something non-destructive. Double check the front again. 69 3/4, 69 3/4. Tires are set dead ahead, not toe in, toe out, but dead ahead. So I can roll with that. Seems to drive good. So there you have it. That worked out pretty good. The wheel alignment is dead on, not toe in, not toe out. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. A lot of people say with 35s, they go a half an inch toe in, but with it being the same front and back, it seems to drive fine. So I'm going to roll with that. And the old tires that came off, there was no weird wear pattern, no cupping. So that's how I'm going to roll. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And these things are cheap. They're really cheap, and it's a quick and easy way to double check your alignment. Because on the Jeep, unless you have adjustable control arms, the only measurement that you can do is your toe in, toe out. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.